Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Agarwal and today I have created this video for all the users who have the Apple iPhone 4S and they are willing to upgrade their iPhone to the latest iOS 8. And I also have these two Apple iPhones. This white one is the 16 GB version and this black one is the 8 GB version. This white one is old and this black one is a new from this year. And I have been checking the reviews lately about the Apple iPhone 4S, and I have downloaded the upgrade on this white one, and I have still not downloaded this on this one, and it requires at least 5 GB of space, and since it is a 8 GB mobile phone, the black one, so it has been very difficult to manage the space lately on this phone. But after reading the reviews of the people about the iPhone 4S running the iOS 8, it has been like the same situation that came after the release of the iOS 7, and the iPhone 4 users have upgraded their phones to the Apple iOS 7, and it has been being slowing down at each and every point. The Safari is not working properly, and there have been some noticeable delay in everything that you do on the new iOS. And so I have created this video to talk about all these things. First of all, if you were to compare the iOS 8 and iOS 7 loading times in the both OSs, then you can easily see that uh, there has been a lot of delay in all the processes that you do, and it is your personal opinion whether you want to install it or not. I am just here to recommend or simply advise you to stick around on the iOS 7 for a bit until the iOS 8.1 or similar version arrives with a bit of stability and optimization for the iPhone 4S users. If you were to notice one more thing, that on the on the iPhone 4S, the size of the update is about 920 MB, and on the same and for the same OS, the size of the update on the iPhone 5 or iPhone 5S is about 1.2 something gigabytes. So there has been some cropping of the features from the iOS 8 on for the iPhone 4S. So it is your personal opinion whether you want to do it or not. But on my side, I will just say that you should not do it now. And if you do not believe me, or if you want to see the proof of all these things, then you can go on to the youtube.com and search for the iOS 4S reviews on iOS 8, and you will then realize yourself what you want to do. There is also one thing that there is no reason why the Apple have added iPhone 4S in their iOS 8 update list, since it is not a new device. It has a old hardware as compared to the iPhone 5 and 5S, and it is still running on A5 chip, so it is still underpowered as compared to the power of other iOSs and other iPhones. So guys, it is up to you whether you want to update it or not, and it is your personal opinion. So guys, that is it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I will be upgrading my iPhone to the iOS 8 lately in a couple of days, so I will be posting that video soon. So stay tuned. Bye bye, thanks. And all I suggest and advise is to wait for some time if you are willing to comply with the iOS 7. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, thanks. To subscribe.